Hello! So today I'm making another mini album. This is Truly Grateful collection from Pink Paisley, made by Paige Taylor. This album is 4x4, so you want to cut some chipboard 4 inches by 4 inches, and that is what I did. And then I'm doing a little spine, so I'm doing 4 inches. And this one was really thick, so I changed it back to the thin. I didn't realize I grabbed the wrong one. So again, 4 inches by 1 inch. That is the spine of your book. And now you want to choose some paper. I chose the flower one. And you want to glue it down to it. You want to leave some space around because you want to wrap the paper around. I'm using Barely Art glue, amazing fast drying precision glue. I will leave the link down below if you are interested. I got the bundle and I kind of showed the different tips and stuff. If you want to look on my YouTube channel, I have a video for that. So now you want to cut the paper down a little bit, about a 1/2 inch, I'd say, around. And then you want to fold the corners, not the corners, the pieces over the edges and score because it just helps it stay in place better. You want to cut the corners off so the pages line up nice when you fold it. I like to glue the long edges first, it just seems a little bit easier. And you can use adhesive on this, it goes super quick, or whatever you like. You want to fold it down and hold it for a second. If you are using glue, let it sit. And now for the outer part, you just want to push those little corners in so you get a nice crease. So I'm just rubbing it with my bone folder to get it to stick down a little better. And I am scoring those, and that's what the outside of your binder looks like. Now you want to do the inside to cover up the chipboard. I am just cutting off this outer white line because when you print papers, to not distort the design, I do it in this size. It like does it for you. I don't know, they're called margins. There we go. So I am cutting it at about 8 1/4. And then I'm just kind of eyeballing it and kind of creasing it. And I'm going to cut that and then glue it down, and it makes it look super pretty and nice. So there's that. And now I'm going to make like a little spine to put papers in. I'm just scoring it at about every 1/2 inch. You can do this as big as you want. You kind of have to measure it in your book, but you just do like an accordion back and forth. And then you're going to want to get some adhesive. I did not use glue for this. I used some double-sided tape. Got it from scrapbook.com. So you kind of want to measure. You want them to pop out. I actually got this tape in a free sampler pack. It was amazing. You get all this tape. And I got a bunch of other things inside of it as well. It was really, really cool. And a different time, I think I got like a stencil and something else. Really cool. Anyways, so yeah, I'm putting this on the outside and then cutting it because I want to wrinkle it together so it stays. So I'm just peeling it off. And then doing the accordion. And you want the last two sticking out because that's what sticks to your binder. And then you glue the pages inside of that. So sometimes you might need to add more glue because the adhesive doesn't stick as well. So I'm just putting some glue because it kept trying to pop up on me. So I'm just pressing it down, letting it adhere. I did it to match the flowers on the outside. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm gonna cut the paper out at 7 by 3.5. And I'm gonna fold it in half so I have double-sided paper. And I'm gonna glue them on the little spine. So this, again, I'm just folding it in half so I have double-sided paper. That's the only thing I'm doing right now. So now that I got them all cut out, I'm going to arrange them and then glue them alongside the inside. I'm so excited how this turned out and I cannot wait to decorate it. So now that the paper's all done, I'm going to make a little elastic tie. I chose yellow because it made the little yellow flowers pop out. I just kind of measured, and now I'm using some little eyelets and my crocodile. So I'm punching a hole, putting that in, and flattening it. I am tying the elastic. I had to push it through with an X-Acto knife. And then I'm going to tie a little knot in it. And you can always cover these little loose ends with some ephemera or a sticker or anything you'd like. Or if it doesn't bother you, just let it hang. It was giving me so much trouble trying to tie this. Oh my goodness. Okay, so then you wrap it around and that is it. I hope you enjoy. Let me know down below if you like it. Stay safe.